Hi everyone and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to mute notification sound on an iPad mini. So as you see, I already have my iPad unlocked, and all I'm gonna do, just go into the settings, then slowly scroll down till you see the sounds tab. Then as you will see, there's the section called ringtone, text on, new mail, sent mail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts and default alerts. So all you want to do, if you want to mute notification sounds, just click on the notification and click none. It should mute, and click none to everyone that you see right now that spells out with alerts. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.